Broward RC back with my brand new Red Cat Lightning EPX Drift 1/10 scale brushed electric 4-wheel on-road drift car, ready to run. Powerful brushed motor, 540 size, 27 turn, brushed ESC, 40A, all-weather, waterproof and dustproof. Select between Nicolide and LiPo. Helix Fly servo, response steering, precision gears and electronics, waterproof case. Battery and charger is included because it is ready to run. Highly detailed scaled accessories. Shaft driven 4-wheel drive, front and rear gear differentials. Hard plastic tires. Fully tunable independent suspension. Precision ball bearings throughout. Aluminum capped oiled shocks. That's about what it says on it, so let's see what it is looking like. Alright, controller first. It's your standard pistol grip 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip radio, or transmitter if you prefer to call it that. And then here it is. Let's get it out the box. Get the box out of the way. Nothing. I put the box on the ground. It looks like I rubbed it a little the other day.